This is something that started out there in the community, and I want us to just recognize that. So Phil and Matt, please stand up. Let's give them a hand.
We have it once a year for all of our fantastic partners in the UK.
Of course, the Swedish Umbraco Partners Summit.
In Frankfurt.
The Danish Partner Summit 2025.
Benelux 2025.
Codegarden is so creative, such a creative event.
This is my 10th Codegarden, and the whole reason to come back is the community.
A family boat show.
And basically the impeccable organization as well.